Hey.
Russell, the dog whisperer.
Sit. Lay. Lay. Good girl.
The dog whisperer.
You see, Diamond thinks she's the AKA female. Oh God. Crikey. They put the dog in the microwave. They put the dog in the microwave.
You want this shit, dog. Oh shit, give me one more for the road. The dog whisperer.
Alright.
The dog whisperer. I can't even say that shit in full tone. The dog whisperer.
Sit. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't play that shit. Sit. Lay.
The dog whisperer.
You gotta pimp these bitches.
Whoa.
Look, when I say something once, a bitch might give me backlip, looks like that. When I say it twice, I don't play that shit.
She laid
Jets, Taylor game, or die. Now we need a piece to roll over.
Say hi to the camera, Diamond. 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 Sit. No, sit. Oh, for real?
You're not the dog whisperer. Diamond. Sit. Sit. The dog whisperer strikes again. Lay.
Yeah, you ain't shit. You ain't shit, cuz. You ain't shit, cuz.
We're having too much fun with this shit.
You ain't shit, cuz. Oh, man. All right, man. We out of here. Dog whisperer out. Yeah.